How to download OneXBet app in restricted country. First of all, you need to open your browser and visit the official OneXBet site at onexbet.mobi. This is the safest place to download the app directly without risking fake or harmful versions. Next, scroll down the home page until you find the option to download the app. Since your country restricts access, the site may ask you to verify or use an alternative link to access the download page. Follow the instructions carefully to get the correct version for your device. After that, download the installation file. Once the download is complete, go to your downloads folder and open the file to start the installation process. If you see a warning about installing apps from unknown sources, you will need to allow this in your device settings temporarily. Once you have allowed the installation, proceed with installing the app. This usually takes just a few seconds. After installation, open the app and sign up or log in to start using it without any restrictions. Remember, if you face any issues accessing the site, try using a VPN service to change your location temporarily and access the official OneXBet page without restrictions. And that's it. Now you know how to download OneXBet app in restricted country. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.